In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Microsoft Copilot for free and utilize it for generating real-life examples. This is your 2025 guide to efficiently handling PDFs with Microsoft Copilot. Let's dive right in to see how we can get started with this powerful tool. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type Microsoft Copilot into the search bar. This will direct you to an array of search results, but focus on the official Microsoft Copilot website. Click on the link to visit their homepage. The reason we're going through Google is that it's often the easiest way to ensure you end up on the correct and most up-to-date website. Once you're on the Microsoft Copilot website, look for a plus sign icon. This is typically the icon you'll use to upload files, so go ahead and click it. It's important to ensure the PDF you're intending to upload is saved in an easily accessible location on your device. Ease of access will save you time and minimize frustration. Multi-file environments can sometimes get confusing, so having this organized beforehand is a smart move. After clicking the plus sign icon, navigate through your files and select the PDF document you wish to upload. Next, let's create a prompt for Microsoft Copilot. What you want to do is specifically request 5 real-world examples that effectively explain the main ideas contained within your PDF. This ensures that the AI understands exactly what you're aiming to achieve with your query. Crafting a precise prompt is crucial. It guides Copilot to provide the most accurate and relevant insights. Now that your document is uploaded and you've added your prompt, the next step is straightforward. Simply click on the Submit button. This action signals Copilot to start processing your request. The ease of submitting a query is one of Microsoft Copilot's strengths, allowing you seamless interaction with the tool without unnecessary delays. Keep in mind that the processing time may vary depending on the size and complexity of the PDF, as well as the specifics of your prompt. Be patient, and once the process is complete, you'll receive the information in the form of examples that you can use or further analyze as per your requirements. And there you have it. You now know how to upload a PDF to Microsoft Copilot for free and leverage it to generate meaningful examples. This tool provides a valuable means of transforming static PDF content into dynamic, applicable insights. With practice, you'll find it an indispensable part of your workflow. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Microsoft Copilot both enriching and efficient